Hi everyone, welcome to Let's Get Employment. SmartQ is hiring for Associate Operation Excellence. Job location is Bengaluru, Karnataka. Let us see about the job role first. The Associate Operation Excellence job is a pivotal piece in strengthening SmartQ future roadmap in terms of becoming one of the most efficient and profit-driven organizations. The role requires planning, strategizing, and executing best-in-class practices and strategies across the organization. Specific job responsibilities include work closely with leadership in planning and creating the strategic roadmap, engage with business leaders to streamline process and simplify execution with actionable plans, work closely with various team members to make sure that processes are implemented properly and efficiently, monitor all the actionable items on regular basis and share the report with the involved stakeholders, create, audit and improve various business processes to reach excellence, run experiments to assess which approach works the best, drive product and analytics discussions to create workflows and dashboards to achieve business objectives, program management of new initiatives, analysis of the data to give insightful analysis to leaders and various stakeholders. Now let us check the experience and skills. MBA degree would be a plus but not mandatory. Highly analytical and data driven, should know how to create insights around data, should know Excel and PowerPoint. Strong verbal and written communication, strong interpersonal skills as the role will be highly collaborative, ability to work in a fast-paced environment and be a self-starter. Takes initiative and can think of new ways to approach a problem. Now let us get to know about SmartQ. SmartQ is a leading B2B food tech company that solves complex business problems with the help of innovation solutions and cutting-edge technologies. We are an MNC multinational company that has a presence across 14 countries with more than 600 clients and a strong family of 500 plus people. Bengaluru, being our headquarters, is known as the innovation hub, and we have grown up to be the global leader in the institutional food tech space. We were recently acquired by the world's largest food service company, Compass Group, which has an annual turnover of 200 billion pounds. Our digital cafeteria suite transforms any conventional cafeteria into a digital one, making it a queue-less, cashless, and contactless cafeteria. We are a customer-centric company that has developed more than 25 tech products to provide the convenience of ordering and engaging customers at their fingertips, hence enabling the world-class cafeteria experience. While technology is the DNA of our company, food aggregation is in our heart. Food breaks are fun again with SmartQ. If you are eligible for this job role, you can apply by clicking on this easy apply button and you have to submit the application. You can find the link in the description and apply for this job role. All the best, and if video helpful लगी हो तो वीडियो को लाइक कीजिए, share it with your friends and for more latest job updates, channel को subscribe कीजिए. Thanks for watching this video.